Hello there and welcome to release question number 74 for CAHSEE Math. It says this: if n equals 2 and x equals 1/2, then n times the quantity 4 minus x equals. It's just a matter of plugging the numbers in here. So let's plug those numbers in. N equals 2. So this becomes 2 times, and this will be 4 minus x is 1/2. So 4 minus 1/2. There's some different ways we could go about this. I'll show you what I think is the way that will work, no matter how complicated this gets. I know some of you would look at that. This would be the easier way to do this and say, hey, that's just 3.5. I know that 4 minus 1/2 is 3.5, and 3.5 times 2 would be 7. So yes, our answer is 7. But let's see how to do this in case the fractions weren't that easy to deal with, or the numbers weren't that easy to deal with. You could rewrite this as 4 over 1 minus 1/2. So any number, any whole number you can write as a fraction, just put it over 1. That would be the same thing as 8 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Just multiply both parts, top and bottom, by 2 over 2. And then now that you have a common denominator, that would be 7 over 2. You could make this a fraction by putting it over 1. And you could cross cancel here. That's one way to do this. So I could say that's a 1 and that's a 1. So you'd have 7 over 1. Just multiplying fractions, multiply the tops. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. You could have also done 2 times 7 is 14. And then on the bottom, 1 times 2 is 2. 14 over 2, that's the same as 7 over 1, which is 7. So I talked about a couple different ways to do that, 3 different ways actually to do that problem. But if you're getting stuck here, you can always make this a fraction, get common denominators, work it out from there, and get your answer that way if you don't see what it is just at first glance. Okay, so number 74, you should get choice C.